Hi guys, it has come to my notice that some keyboardists cannot vamp. And when I look at them, I laugh. The reason is because I have passed through the same situation and I know how it feels. So the problem is that you are probably in a church where there is no bassist and there is no lead guitarist. So you are forced to do the work of a one-man band. And whenever you find yourself in a situation where you need to vamp, you are overwhelmed. I understand. But you can still play your one man band and still vamp. I will show you the secret. You just need to understand the principle of constant and variable when it comes to vamping, just as it is in mathematics. It is also applicable in music. I'll show you. I'm a generous man. See you.
So going by our formula, we have the kick, which is this metronome, and our left hand is the constant, while our right is the variable, right? The constant is always walking or bouncing off the beat, and this is our beat. If I am to bounce on the beat, I will do, but if I am to bounce off the beat, I will do. So this is the kick, right? Not is off the kick. So let's put the metronome to see. Kick, 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 kick. A variable, which is the right hand, hits the beat itself, not off it, it hits it. At least for the beginning point, it hits the beat. This is what I mean. This is. While this is off the beat, this is on the beat. Combining. Remember, the right hand is a variable and it means it changes. It can change anytime. So you can decide to play around like a drummer. You think like a drummer. You can do, and the next minute you are doing. Or you can do ta, ka, 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 ka. Right? Or you can do ka, 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 ka. That is why this is variable, because it can play around, but this is fixed, kind of constant in most cases. So let's apply. So let's do which is regular. So let's do ka 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 ti ka ka. Remember, this is constant. Whatever I am doing now is being done by only the right. This is constant. Just bouncing off the kick. Okay, let's use a Makosa progression, for instance. Same thing, this left hand will be constant. Makosa. Yeah, pa 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 pa. Okay, can we choose another progression? Let's do Jehovah, Jehovah. Constant. Variable.
You can see that vamping is not hard. It's not difficult. Why you no wan follow this page? My content is giving you value. So what is the problem? Follow this page now, guy. Because I am doing more videos on this same vamping. See you in the next one. Follow now at the door.